Hi, it's me again. Thank you for checking my video. Today we are going to cover how to generate an image using OPENAI Library. This video is a continuation of the first part of my video to create a text generator. Because we will use more than one HTML files, so it is always a good idea to separate the header and footer. Now I cut and paste the header to the header.html and cut and paste the footer to the footer.html. We are going to use Jinja to render the header and footer to our index.html. This is how we will do it, using include tag that we can find on Jinja documentation. I create another HTML file so we can use it for our image generator page. It is easier now to use header and footer using just few lines of codes to render them to our new HTML file, and it looks cleaner like this, right? I am going to just copy-paste this index.html to our new image.html, and we are going to edit some words from there, then change the ref. This comes from the app root. So when a user clicks this link, they will be directed to the selected route. Then I will change the h1 header to image generator, and I change the h2 in order for user to understand the function of this page, that is to create an image for them. And I will leave the form just as it is. After that, I will create another route on the main.py to render the image.html. Then we can change the ref link on index.html to this /image route that we just customized. I'll just copy-paste the code from OPENAI documentation, and we can now use request module to catch the user input from the form that we provided. So we can change the prompt value with the value that we get from user. Do not forget indentation. In Python, indentation is very important. You will get error if you do not use indentation correctly. We use the same name for the text area, so we will just pass the same request.form like the one on getAIText function. This getImage function is not able to read user input from getAIText function, so do not worry. They will not get mixed up between one to another. Now time for us to change the prompt value to value from the user, and we can pass the image URL result to image.html using Jinja. Time for testing our website now. I'll write some input, and we'll see what we will get, an error or an image. Let's check the picture that the AI drew for us, and looks like it is working, but it has a flaw. It is not a link format, so we are going to change it into a link that can be clicked automatically by user. Let's make it tidy by placing the image URL to the ref. As always, we use Jinja here to be able to write Python code inside HTML. And let's place user input as a link that can be clicked, and it triggers the URL when user clicks it. Okay guys, it works, and should we level up our website with some other function from OPENAI? They have spelling corrector that non-programmer cannot get by just going to the chat.openai.com. Only for now, so as a developer we get more advantage from OpenAI. Isn't that cool? Let's cover it on the next video guys. Subscribe and see you again. Happy coding!